Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial we have added a column category in the tutorial post table to store comma separated values. In this tutorial we are going to create a comprehensive query which will read comma separated value and return exact category. We have two tables. First is the tutorial post and the second is post underscore category. It will holding the category information and tutorial post is holding the post information. We will use subquery for the tutorial post category to fetch the record after each comma. So let's create it. First we will create a subquery. So we will use here select comma and it will return us the comma. The name of category, which is post underscore category dot name, or whatever you can say it. So this is dot name from the table, from this table. Okay, if I will remove this, then you can but before remove we can use plus, and here you can see we have category like this. Next, rename as PC or post category and use this alias here. Next we need to use a where clause, where comma plus the category which we need to find, and which is 8, for example, which is 8 plus like search casting PC dot pcat id as varchar max. Okay, it will find the record, this record in this id. If it is matched, then it will return us the record, like Arduino is matched. Okay, now for example comma 9, so it's matched and return us 2 records, but we need these 2 records in one line. So we will use for XML path type XML path type, and it will return us record. If we will copy, then we can see we have 2 record like this, but we have a lot of space in that, which we will remove in next tutorial. So this is type. Now this is the subquery. Now we need to enclose in here and use the main query. Select tutorial post dot title or whatever fields you are required, and comma. From here we will use dot value substring text 1 2. Here we will use the varchar max to convert it. Here we are going to convert and name as category from the main table, which is tutorial post. Oops, oh yes, we need to name it as tp dot category. There are not enough actual argument. Okay, yes, we forget to use a comma here, and we don't need to use this brackets, and now it will be fine and returning us the value, which you can see here, but having a lot of space, which we will remove during insertion of record. I hope this query is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.